guys, it is Wednesday. I'm sorry for starting the vlog a little bit later. I got back from Nashville on Monday. Very, very early morning Monday, like 2 a.m. our flight came in because it was super delayed. So Monday I just kind of spent a day recovering, resting, preparing the Nashville vlog, which that'll be listed above if you want to see my recommendations on where to eat and drink in Nashville. So I kind of just got myself like back into the groove of things, cleaned my house, did my sheets, did some laundry, went grocery shopping, all of that boring, you know, back to reality type stuff. But right now I'm with my mom. She's over here, Bucky's in her lap. We're heading to the cemetery because my grandma's headstone is ready. So we're just gonna check that out, see how that is, and put some flowers, so you can see back there, on her and my papa's grave, as well as my grandpa and my dad's grave. So I actually just filmed a whole video kind of about my experience losing so many of my family members. So that'll again be listed right here. You can definitely go check that out and kind of learn a little bit more about me and kind of my experiences that I've gone through growing up. And then I think we're gonna go grab some lunch. So we have two choices that I'm gonna make my mom try. It's either Fresh Kitchen, one of my favorites, or the Poke Company, which is another favorite, which is Poke Bowls, because my mom hasn't tried either. So she is in town, we're gonna make her try it. We're gonna enjoy my one kind of like cheat meal of the week, eating out meal. So we'll keep you updated as to what we decide. Challenge of the day, let's see how many stores allow this squirrel inside. Taylor, stop. She gets sensitive when I call him names. Quick little grocery haul to show you what I got from Bednar's. So we did get a ball of mozzarella to make with some tomatoes today. This is probably gonna be dinner. We had the Poke Company for lunch and my mom and I are so full right now. She didn't even finish hers, but of course, leave it to the champion to finish hers. We did get 2 artichokes, $1.25 for these two, which is a really good deal. A large cucumber. Is this normal? Probably not. We got some white asparagus, which I've never had before in my life, so that should be interesting. Some regular asparagus again. This was like 3 something, so really good deal. These were buy one, get one free. The Kumato tomatoes, brown tomatoes. So, ooh, I got a package and then my mom's gonna take one home. Another large, like, I'm sorry, that just can't be good. A red pepper because that was nicely priced as well, and some baby bella mushrooms. So that's all I got at the farmer's market, and all of that was about 20 bucks, so not bad. Good afternoon, it is Thursday. I'm getting ready to meet up with one of my Monet partners, Alexa. I also work with her for Babes. So we're gonna go to this place called Bear's Food Shack, I think it's called. It's on Atlantic Avenue. They have like acai bowls, salads. So we just wanted something light. We're gonna go over some stuff about the business, have ourselves a nice little lunch. And then I'm gonna go get my car washed because it is so freaking filthy. And I've just been letting the rain kind of clean it off, but like it needs to be scrubbed. So I'm gonna go get my car washed, and then I'm actually working an event tonight for Babes. So that's really exciting. I have had a nice filled day. I also worked out this morning and got my details ready for today's upload that is up on my channel, basically talking about how I've experienced a lot of death in my life, a lot of loss in my family, and just kind of sharing my story about it. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a denim jacket. It is going to be so hot, so I don't know why I'm wearing it, but it's distressed from Target. I love it. This is actually Carly's dress. It has like a slit in the leg. I'm wearing the belt I always wear, and then my shoes are from Forever. So just a casual outfit for lunch, and I'm actually really hungry, so I'm very excited to eat. I'm I'm getting ready to make a curry stir fry, but I wanted to tell you about this song that I've been loving. It's called Hands on Me by Darius Rucker. Vibe. This is the sauce that I'm using to season the rice that is boiling over there. So I just marinated some chickpeas in that and put a little bit of extra garlic powder, salt, and pepper. For vegetables, we have onions, mushrooms, green pepper, and the white and green asparagus I got from the farmer's market the other day. So let's begin. The final masterpiece. Hi guys, it's Saturday now. We are at Perfect Vodka Amphitheater because G-Eazy is performing. I have a piece of hair that's just like stuck on my face because it is so dang hot outside. My makeup is slowly but surely coming off. The whole sweat-proof makeup tutorials, you know, when people post those are not real. If you live in South Florida, there's no such thing as sweat-proof makeup or makeup that lasts or waterproof makeup. It's a false myth. Anyways, so we are in front of Stillhouse. That's their van right now. As you can see, that's who we're working for. We have the girls back here, and we are getting ready for the G-Eazy concert. So Stillhouse is a whiskey. We're just gonna be sampling, interacting with the crowd, and getting them hyped for the concert. So the goal is to get backstage. It's happening, it's happening. So this next clip is gonna be backstage. So the last clip you guys saw was yesterday at the concert. We ended up not getting backstage. I was really hoping on it, but you know, whatever. We got like third row, so that was close enough. G-Eazy was a really good performer. He put on a really good show, so that was really fun. And now, we're heading down to the Dolphins game. I'm with Natalia, but we are like hauling down to Miami right now because the game starts, oh, it started 12 minutes ago. We actually met some Tennessee players when we were in Nashville and kind of like, you know, talked about going to the game, you know, to watch them play. What do you know, typical men texted me at 11 o'clock, no, it was 12 o'clock, saying tickets are at will call. Guess what time the game's at? 1. So I'm like over here like cooking breakfast, like trying to get ready, and we pulled it together. We are ready. We're heading down to Miami, but I can't bring in my camera. I can't even bring in a purse. So this is kind of gonna be the end of the vlog. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, my handle will be right here. You can see any behind the scenes action when my camera is not included, which today is one of those days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this random vlog. I know it was like a mishmash of everything. This week is gonna be really exciting. I'm getting ready to go to Chicago this weekend, so expect another travel vlog coming your way. If you didn't see my Nashville one, that's already up on my channel with all of my recommendations on where to eat and drink. So comment down below with what you liked in this video and what you want to see in my upcoming ones, and until my next one, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.